Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week, or actually last week, we did a video on how we got a brand new, huge laser. And now my husband is gonna go and rearrange the garage and to make it work, to make it fit in there. And he loves to do all this stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look.
right, as you can see, I got a little silly. I figured I like my new laser by OMTech so much, and the rest of the furniture, the shelves and whatnot that I had to tear down had paint from different colors. Some had no paint whatsoever, and it didn't look right, so I figured I was going to paint it. I wasn't going to make a professional job of it, just have some fun, and I decided to make everything match the new laser so we all have matching furniture of sorts. Again, this is just being silly, and I realized everything wasn't painted completely. Spray paint is expensive, and that took a lot of spray paint, and the truth is I didn't spray paint the back of anything because I ran out of paint.
Oh no.
And I wasn't going to buy any more. So anyhow, again, it was just for fun. Next week, we've got a couple things going on. I have a bunch of customers that have ordered many different things. I'm thinking about doing that. We also have to install a toilet. Long story, but when I do that, I'm going to explain everything. And I got another company that reached out to us and asked us to do a product review. So we're going to be waiting for that to come in, and we'll test that and show you how that works out. So once we figure out what we're going to do, we'll see you again.
Bye-bye.